Hello, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can free more storage by clearing your system, cache, and other junk files that you may have that may be occupying your space. So let's just say, for example, you have a system, your storage is running out, just like what I have there. So you can see that my storage is actually running out. You can see I have 8.2 gig free. So let's free more storage now in this lesson. Now all you need to do is to close. To press a Windows plus R button, this dialog box will appear. So all you have to do is that first and foremost, you need to type Prefetch. Prefetch, that's what you need to type. You can see it. Then click on OK, and then you can have this box. Just click on Continue, and then you have all of these files that you can delete. You can get rid of them. I show you that they're not going to affect anything. So what you have to do is that you click on any of these and then press Ctrl A, then you select all the file, and then you press Shift plus Delete to permanently delete and free more space. Delete all these files. So you can see that I will be deleting 346 items. I'll click on OK, and all the items are gone. So I'm going to close this window. Now the next one, again, press a Windows plus R button, and then this should come up. This box will come up again, and then type Temp, that's Temp, and then click on OK. Then you see all of these files also that you don't need. They are temporary files. So just click on any one of them, and then press on Ctrl A to select all, and then press on Shift plus Delete on your keyboard to permanently delete all these items. I can see that I have 98 items, so I'll click on this, and then we have the dialog box that some of these cannot be deleted because they are in use. Just tick this and click on Skip, and then all the others will be deleted, and then it is done. So I'll close this again, and then again I'm going to press on Windows plus R button, and then on my keyboard this box again will come up, and then I'm going to type percentage TEMP, that's Temp percentage. Then just click on OK once again, and then you have all of this again, temporary stuff that will appear. I'm going to get rid of all these folders. So just click on any of them, click on Ctrl A, press Ctrl A, and then click on, press Shift plus Delete to permanently delete all these items. So I'm going to click yes. So I will wait for the deletion to complete. Delete all this. I will click this, and then I will ask the system to skip, and it is done. As you can see, not all files were deleted. Why? Because some of these files that were not deleted are being used by my system. So that is of course fine, and then I can close this window also. Now the next one that we have to do is that we've done, you can just again press the Windows plus R, and then this box will come up again. And then what you have to type is, you only have to type Cleanmgr, and then click on OK, and then your system C drive will be selected. Click on OK, and then you have all of these that will pop up. So you can just select all of these that you want to delete, all of these things that you want to delete: recycle bin, temporary file, delivery, optimization file, and all of that. You want to delete all of those things, and then you can just click on OK, and then you delete, and then it's actually deleting. So, and of course it is done. So next, you can right click on our window icon, go to settings, and then you can come to system, and then under system go to storage, click on storage, and then you see your system storage, and then you see your system storage and the space occupied by all of the applications that you have, the various segments, and then you only have to focus on the temporary files here. So it will be calculated, and then you see it, then see. So because I've cleaned some of these things, you can see that the temporary file is just very short. So I can click on it, and then we see all of those things You can see that I have 1.2 gig, and most of this 1.2 gig is being used by download. I'm not going to delete my download, so I'll just leave it this way, and then all others I'm going to select, and then I'm going to say remove, and then I'm going to say continue, and then I want it to remove all of those. No, clean it is done. So you can close this. Then other things that we can do is that we can go to your browser, on your normal browser, and then click on this three dots, and then go to settings, and then from settings, go to privacy and security, and then you can come to delete browsing data, then come to advanced, and then you may want to choose all time, and then you can look at all of these and of course clear all of this. But I want to advise that you may want to leave password and other signing, autofill data and other stuff, but all of others, if you want to clear them, you can actually clear them to free more space. And then that's that. Now after that, we can head to, we close this. Now after that, we can head to our command prompt to clear our DNS. So simply come here, and then you simply type cmd to your search bar, and then you run it as administrator, and then say yes. You want to say yes, and then you only have to type this command. Type this command and press on enter, and then you have it that successfully flushed the DNS, and then this is done. Alright guys, now that we are done with the cleaning of the cache and the junk file, let's see whether we've been able to increase our system capacity, storage capacity. So I'll simply open my file explorer with the window and E on my keyboard shortcut, and then I'll click on this. Then you see that we've been able to increase. When we started this lesson, we started with a storage of about 18 gig. Now we have increased that to 24.6 gig. So this is one of the ways that you can use to increase your capacity by clearing the junks and the cache on your system. Thank you so much. If you've learned anything at all in this lesson, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.